Hi everyone, Charlene here for Whimsy Stamps. I have a new product reveal for you today. This is the Little Devils 4x6 clear stamp set. So cute. I've stamped it out here so you can see all the little characters and sentiments. There are 3 images as well as several words that you can configure into different sentiments. You can see here I've colored them in different colors with my alcohol ink markers. They are just too cute. I've added a little bit of Wink of Stella here and there to give it a little bit of glitter. The images range in size. There's 3 different size devils. They are approximately 1.5 by 3 inches, 2 by 2 inches, and 2 by 3 inches. Here you can see 3 different projects I've made. This one I put on a wobbler. And this guy's so cute. I used the brick pattern stencil behind him. And then lastly, I've got this guy who looks like he is climbing up the stairs. I love that you can separate out the words like that. Well, everyone, thanks for joining me. I hope you will join us over on the Whimsy Stamps Facebook Inspiration Group. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Until next time, happy crafting.